So you might have something like this, something on a red vein, or something like that. You know, where do you get your strains from? Well, the problem is that something like this can create all three of these materials: yellow, white, green, and red. It doesn't matter what leaf vein color it is. Leaf vein color is just kind of a thing that happens in some of the plants. Sometimes it's more dominant. Different phenotypes are stronger red vein, or they're stronger white. They have a dominance. Here's a quick little explanation now. So you start off with your phenotypes, your Raffy, your Bumblebee, your Pink Indo, whatever you got, your green Malay or whatever you want to call it. So your plants that you're growing, they're all cousins. So leaves from these plants, right here, you look at the leaves and you look at the leaf vein. You can sort them by the leaf vein. And then on top of that, there's the cure method. So you could have a red vein leaf and you can cure it to be green. Here's how you do that. If you want a green cure, you just put it in a brown paper bag. That's supposed to be a picture of a paper bag. It's terrible. If you want your red cure, you just hang them up kind of like this somewhere. Give them a little more humidity maybe, not so much light. If you want your yellow and your whites, right here, you just go stick it underneath some sun, some light source or something, and kind of bleaches it all out of there. So that's really all there is to it. You can have a green vein and cure it to be red. You can have a yellow vein and cure it to be green. The end result, the material, the dried material that you'll grind up in powder, can be from a different vein, and that's why you get so much variation. That's why some yellows don't work for some people, and some greens don't work out for some people, and some reds work better than other ones, because they could have cured that red from a green vein, and that's just, or it could be a phenotype that they just don't agree with. They have different amounts of alkaloids, and it's why you can't just say, oh, I really like this red, or I like this green, or I like the yellow only, because there's so much variation. If you have 3 different plants, and then you have 4 different veins, and then you have 3 different cure methods, somebody can do the math on that one, but that adds up to a lot of variation. Alright, well, I hope I didn't confuse everybody too much, and I hope this unsimplification of something that seems simple doesn't confuse you, but enlightens you.